heels up squat looks like this. So this board is just a piece of plywood elevated onto foam blocks. You can see I've got the bar across my shoulders. If you have weights on, then you'll have to bring your hands in like so. When you're going through the motion, you want to actually pull the bar down, so you're depressing your shoulders and engaging those lats. And then you want to keep your core pulled in tight, so belly button in towards the spine, ribs are lifted up or chest is lifted up towards the ceiling. As you descend, you're obviously bending your knees, engaging your hips, and then squeezing your butt so that your knees squeeze to the outside as you come back up. Again, it looks like this.